Grade 9. In this video, we are going to work with equations with fraction. Grade 9. Yes, without wasting time, let's get to today's video. Consider you are given x plus 3 divided by 2, it's a fraction, minus x minus 2 divided by 3, equated to x minus 2. Whenever we work with fractions, guys, it is important to take note of an LCD. So, right, to make life easier here, this is what we are going to do. We are going to first, the LCD here will be 6. How did we get that 6? When we multiply these denominators, we get 6, right? Okay. All right. So here, first step is to change to equivalent fractions. So they must be equivalent, meaning they must be equal in terms of the denominator. So we are having x plus 3 divided by 2. So to have an LCD, to get 6, we are going to multiply the numerator by 3 as well as the denominator. Similarly, we are going to do the same thing on the second fraction. So to get to 6, we need 2. So we are going to multiply the numerator by 2 and the denominator. So let's go to the other fraction, the third fraction. So this is the same as x minus 2 divided by 1. So we are going to multiply by 6 to get to 6. Okay. Is it clear? Right. Okay. Sorry for here. It's x minus 2. So this is the same as 3 times x plus 3. 2 times 3 is the same as 6. Similarly, here we're having 2 times x minus 2 divided by 6, not 3. Okay, they are now equivalent. Let's work out the other third fraction. The other third fraction, it's the same as 6 times x minus 2 divided by 6. Okay, so first thing first is to change to equivalent fractions, right? So that we are able to write in terms of the single fraction. So let's see, what are we getting? 3 times x, we are getting 3x, and 3 times 3, we are getting 9. So it's going to be 3x plus 9, as well as 2 times x is going to be 2x. Negative 2 times 2, that will be positive 4 divided by 6. Okay. So from here, 6 times x, that will be 6x, as well as 6 times 2, that will be minus 12 divided by 6. Okay. All right. So then the third step will be writing this in as single fractions as they are. So you're not done. We can now multiply by an LCD, which is 6. Multiply both sides by 6. But before we multiply by 6, let's since they're equivalent, let's take one denominator as 6. Same denominator, subtract the numerator. So we are having 3x plus 9 minus 2x plus 4. Okay, equated to 6x minus 12 divided by 6. So we can multiply by an LCD, which is 6. Multiply by an LCD, which is 6, to get rid of a fraction. This and this cancel, as well as this. So what are we left with? We are left with 3x plus 9 minus 2x plus 4 equated to 6x minus 12. So 3x minus 2x is the same as x. 9 plus 4, that's 10, 11, 12, 13. That's 13 equated to 6x minus 12. Okay. Like terms, let's take 6 to the other side. It's the same as x minus 6, which will be minus 5x. Let's take 13 to the other side. It's the same as negative 12 minus 13, which will give you minus 25. Oh, right. Which is the same as minus 25, if I'm not mistaken. It is. It is, right? So we can divide both sides by negative 5 what are we getting? This and this cancel. What are we getting? How many times does it goes to 25? It goes 5 times. So meaning that x is equals to 5. You can go there upward and prove where there is x by placing 5. Ensure that the left hand side is equals to the right hand side. So let's look at our second question so that we will win. Right, let's go to the second equation. The second question, you're required also to solve for x. So there are many techniques that you can use. You can use a method whereby you're going to find an LCD, which is 21, right? By multiplying by 3, and the other side by multiplying by 7. So in this case, I'll prefer cross method, cross multiply. So we are going to use what we call Orlando Pirates. We are going to use what we call Orlando Pirates, okay? Cross multiply. So this is what we are going to do to get rid of fraction. We're going to say 3 times 3x minus 4 as well as 7 multiplied by x minus 2. 3x times 3 times 3x, that will be 9x. 3 times 4, that will be minus 12. 7 times x, that will be 7x. 7 times negative 2, that will be 14. 9 minus 7, that will be 2x, right? That will be 2x. Okay. Let's take 12. Let's take 12 to that side. So we're having negative 14 plus 12. What are we getting? Oh, listen, as I'm making mistakes here, let's see where am I making a mistake there. Because, okay, let me check. Well, you see, you should be very careful. Be very careful, Mr. Richard. Well, where is Mr. Richard making a mistake? No, Mr. Richard is not making any mistake. He's right. So let's take negative 12 to the other side. It's the same as negative 14 plus 12. That will give us negative 2. Yes, then we divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. This and this cancels. How many times does 2 goes into 2? It goes once. So x is equals to negative 1. To check whether the solution is correct, go here and place negative 1. And as well, go here and place negative 1. What are you getting? You're getting the same answer. That means your solution is correct. Mind you guys, whenever you watch the video, pause the video, do the question, and check the answer. That's the technique we are using to learn. Hope you find this video useful. Grade 9 and 8. Hope you are learning as we are approaching term 2. So don't forget to share the video. Or if you're new to this channel, subscribe and like. And remember, we love you.